So alongside our physical user interfaces, we know that mobile control is also a key requirement. The device that's already in your pocket provides incredible convenience for users anywhere within their home or small business, or for those who are perhaps unable to reach the physical switches. And of course, when you're not on site and you need to be able to make a change. And that digital canvas gives much greater scope to empower personalization, allowing users to create new scenes to match a mood, activity, or celebration, or to adjust a schedule from one season to the next. So, alongside the possibilities that have been opened up through our new Matter integration, we wanted to provide a first-party option and give you an end-to-end Dynalite solution. So today we're excited to announce an all-new version of the Dynalite Control app will arrive soon. This new app has been reimagined from the ground up, built around our beautiful new Array design language to make everything instantly intuitive for all users. And we've added powerful new features, such as remote connectivity via Dynalite Cloud, and macros to allow you to easily trigger multiple actions from a single tap on a richly personalized tile. Phil's joined me here and is going to share more details about the new app and also give us a demo of the app in action. Thanks, Phil.
Okay, so let's look at the latest version of the new mobile app from R&D. So first time you go in, you need to log in. You need to load the configuration from the cloud into the system. So I'm just going to log into my account. Okay, and it's now presented me with a list of different Dynalite systems that are on my account. The cloud icon indicates that it's already loaded into the app. So very easily we can select a project and then we are ready to go. So I can see on the screen now that it says connected, and the picture there you can put in yourself, so you can customize it a little bit. We have the macros here, which are buttons that are just going to run macros to control parts of the house, and they are customizable. And then if I go into spaces, I can see all the different spaces that we can control. This page is not fully finished yet, but it's giving me a flat list of the spaces that I'm controlling. We're currently in this room, so if I press the presets, I can go to presets. I can adjust with a slider, and down here I can go to channel control. So that's all in the one page. As you can see, we've got editing icons there, which will allow those to be edited. Then if I look, we've got some different types of icons. So we have curtain control, we have heating, HVAC control, which is very similar to the array that we have in the Revolution display today, and the one that's coming in the touchscreen with array. So basic control there, and then you also have the option to go back to change your project, and then you can choose to connect to your second project, and then you can carry on working on that project there. So Stephen, that's the app. Back to you.
I love the way the new Array design language looks in this app. The way of navigating through different spaces and seeing all of the services that you can control, from lighting to climate, fans, curtains, and blinds. It's all now so clear and intuitive. And how I can also customize the app with my own backgrounds and themes. In the new editor, you can now really easily personalize scenes to meet your preferences, including a powerful and intuitive new color picker. And with macros, you can quickly build a list of multiple actions to trigger all at once. Perfect for when you're leaving or arriving in the morning or in the evening. And now, with connectivity powered by Dynalite Cloud, you can both see and control your home or small business remotely from anywhere in the world. So this begins an important new journey for the Dynalite mobile app, with much more coming over time, including automations such as scheduling. This new app will be available later in the year, with feature parity coming across both iOS and Android platforms from launch. But starting from the end of this month, we would love to invite our partners who'd like an early preview of the new app, and of course to provide some important real-world feedback for us, to join a new beta program. If you're interested, please head over to dynalite.com/beta to sign up and to get a few more details. And then we'll be in touch in the coming weeks to get you all set up.